Yo, what's up? Hello, hello, hello. Fucking hell, man. What's up, man? I swear this is gonna be like a 2 minute end of day, bro. Literally 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You know? Um. Oh shit. Let me just start there. In. I think not much happened, bro. Today, like after this, like heavy move down, right? At some point, obviously, we expect to start playing some buys, maybe somewhere in this range here. I came close, but we didn't actually hit that. And then, yeah, I think today, entire day, just boring day, of course, because I'm just sitting on my hands. There's nothing to do, man. Like, there's nothing to do, bro. Like, I'm just sitting on my hands, just waiting. Uh, 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 any buys here? Counter swing, counter the internal. So obviously not looking for buys. Then I'd be looking for sells, right? But where? Like you can see, it's like all this is just tiny highs, and then it's just liquidity. End of the day, right? Gets swept all the way up to this point. Uh, Even after this, I pause here, like technically a I pause, and then maybe you would have wanted to look for a sell in there, which I honestly wasn't. Like today's price actually just was not great. But anyway, because the chalk here, you'd have to switch to the M5, and then there's no entry on the M5. Moves on. So yeah, no valid trade in here for now. Just waiting. I'd say this is a IPOS here, and then internal low here, and then question is, do I want to look for buys from here? It's pretty tough to justify when there's like a zone nearby. What about the daily? Daily is like inside bar, the actual pivot would be like all the way down here as well. Alright, so yeah, I think even tomorrow maybe I'll be set on my hands looking for buys, right? At least we have an iPad, so technically you can look for buys from here, but not when there's this liquidity down here, right? So for me, I'd probably wait for it to come down here, then not look for the buys in here, wait for a second break, and then play the buys after this becomes a strong low. I think that makes a little bit more sense in my head. This liquidity to target all the way coming down here. But yeah, not gonna force anything really. Just waiting for the market to present itself in a way I feel comfortable trading it. Right. Again, couldn't look for sells. Sells are post-swing pro internal, which is invalid. Buys, again, all this did not look great to me. None of this looked like great POIs for buys. Right? It didn't look like good POI. Like good POI is like maybe this one down here, right? This is like a better POI than the ones up there because it's it's more of a pivot zone, right? Like I kind of want to see the market move down and then move away, right? Not bob and weave and bob and weave and then go up and then where in here are you saying the orders are, right? Compared to this, where you can see clearly a lot of buyers came in here, so maybe this is protected, you know, that's the idea. But I'd love to see a breakdown, right? So then I can start looking for sells maybe into here. 4 hour wise, yeah, it makes sense maybe to look for sells into this 4 hour zone somewhere in here, maybe even lower, and then continue with the buys. But for today, just sitting on my hands, nothing to it, no pressure, no nothing. Same with like Euro USD again. There's no, like, look at how tiny this pivot PY is, man. Like, it's probably gonna take a loss in there before it does something that's actually good, you know. So again, I don't mind sitting on my hands when the market is a little bit iffy, right? For this, for example, at least this looks better. If this IBOS holds, like this holds, and then we break this like minor high here, then maybe I could look for buys in here, like following the upward move like this. That's like one idea I have on what I could do tomorrow. But then again, just wait for tomorrow, see what happens, like see what presents. I think focusing on higher probability setups is important. It's important that if my eye cannot see good stuff in here, like pattern recognition, whatever, then there's no need for me to force it, right? All I have is time, bro. Like, as long as I'm showing up and then not missing out on like the clear good opportunities, then I don't have to be participating, man. But honestly, don't have to. So I'm chilling, sitting on my hands, waiting for something good, right? Something worth risking money for. Yeah, yeah. I think that's it for today. Not a active day, but I was here nonetheless. Like, even though it was not the best in terms of focus, but I was here nonetheless. I was here. So yeah, peace.